Having the opportunity to restore a World War II uniform is truly an honor. William Short was a staff sergeant in the 341st Army Air Forces, and he served from August 1941 through October 1945. And after sitting in a hope chest wrapped in newspapers from the 40s, his great-granddaughter Ashton inherited it and wanted to have it restored and preserved. So she sent it to us. And as you can see, the uniform is in great condition, but it has a little bit of mold on it. So after removing all of the metal, the uniform goes into sodium perborate bath. Now, during World War II, US soldiers were actually issued cigarettes as part of their daily rations. So not only does this suit have mold and oxidation, but it also has a whole lot of nicotine. That's why the perborate was used up almost instantly and the water turned brown. So Bill makes a new bath. As you can see, it again used the perborate up ridiculously fast. So another bath has to be made. But first, Bill's gonna give it a good rinse. Third perborate bath down, and a fourth has to be made. Now, in order to protect the color of the uniform, Bill starts a parasitic acid bath with cold water. He takes the brush and gently works the shoulder insignia before rinsing the uniform. Now, it's time to wet clean it, but first, Bill needs to fill the washer with ice. This helps to control the temperature of the water, as well as adding a gentle mechanical action. Our hand wash cycle only oscillates once every minute, and it's actually significantly more gentle on the uniform than hand washing itself. It's finally clean, looks amazing, and now it just needs to be hung to dry overnight. The next day, the uniform is off to be dry cleaned, which will help to rehydrate the fabric. Now, into the petromizer. The next day, Bill starts the pressing process, and he begins with the service shirt, which requires military creases. Military creases have been a long-standing tradition in the Army and Air Force, especially during the mid-20th century. 2 creases down the front and 3 down the back. During World War II and after, it was a very common practice for soldiers to have their service shirts pressed with these creases. Now, onto the pants. Bill uses a pant stretcher, applies steam to relax the fabric, then gently pulls them back to their original length before using the vacuum to set the press. Now, onto the jacket. it's finally finished, and we can move on to the buttons. Bill and I went to a local hot rod shop to help bring them back to life. And with some help from Christian, we couldn't be more pleased with how they came out. And because some of the backs were bent, we had to apply heat and gently move them back into place. Finally, it's time for Bill to sew the buttons back on and complete this incredible restoration. The before and after is absolutely mind-blowing. We couldn't be happier with how this restoration came out. Not only did we get to restore a priceless family heirloom, but we got to restore a piece of history. Now, it's time to package it up and send it back home. Kurt places acid-free tissue paper in between the folds and gently places it inside our museum quality preservation box. It truly was an honor to be able to bring this uniform back to its former glory. And now, William Short's legacy can continue to live on for generations to come.